Welcome. In front of me I have Xiaomi Watch 2 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to start the workout on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the crown button. Once you wake up the screen, press the upper button to open the workout menu, and here we have the list of workouts. You can always scroll down. If you're missing the workout you want to start, you can scroll down, tap on more. It will open the list of different categories. You can search through these, find something you like, and then probably there will be a sport you're looking for. If not, then I don't think we can do anything about it. Anyway, once you find the sport you want to start, the workout you want to start, select it by tapping on it. You will see this menu. The watch will start searching for the GPS location, and you can wait until it finds it. If you want to see your location on the map and track your route and stuff like that, you can also tap on settings icon right here to adjust the settings for your workout, like set the goal. You can set the reminders and also autopilot. I'm not sure what it does, but you can also turn it on. And if you're done setting up your workout, you can tap on go. As you can see, it tells me that it's not able to catch the GPS location. That's because it won't catch it here. It's not possible. So we can tap on wait to try to get some location, or tap on start without it. We're gonna tap on start.
3, 2,
it's gonna start the countdown, and after the countdown is complete, it will start the workout. And here we have our workout menu. We have the duration of our workout, the heart rate, the stages of the workout. We can also swipe left to open the music menu, and if your watch is paired with a phone, you can basically control the music on your phone. I could actually try to turn on something and maybe it will pop up. So if we open some...
GPS signal is weak. Go to an open area.
If we go to YouTube and open some music, it should appear right here, as you can see, and we can pause the music. We can play it. We can adjust the volume by tapping on plus and or small speaker and big speaker to adjust the volume. We can also switch the songs by tapping on next or previous. And that's about all when it comes to music control. Next thing we can do is to swipe, instead of left, we can swipe right, and this will basically open the pause menu. And here we can pause the workout. We can disable the audio feedback or lower the volume on it. So we can control the volume on the audio feedback. It's going to be a lot quieter now. We can also end the workout by pressing and holding on the end button, which will end the workout, and then you can choose if you want to save the stats or not. And I believe that's about all when it comes to workouts. Actually, let me check if the buttons do anything else. This one doesn't. This one pauses the workout and unpauses the workout. Okay, so the upper button pauses and unpauses the workout. So you don't need to swipe right. And that's about all, I believe. So I'm gonna stop the workout now. So I'm gonna press and hold on end button. As you can see, it is asking me if I want to keep the recording. I want to end. And that's how you start the workout on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.